Thanks for taking out the Zoom H1n from Brown University's IT Service Center. This recorder and many other items are available on the 5th floor of Page Robinson at no cost to Brown students or other members of the Brown community. Today we'll learn how to use the Zoom H1n. The H1n is a perfect general use audio recorder, which can be used for podcasting, conducting interviews, and even some live event recording. Here's everything you'll need to know to get started on your project. First, we'll quickly set up and turn on the recorder. Next, we'll look at the menu and our recommended recording settings. Then, we'll cover how to record audio and offer some recording tips. And finally, we'll show you how to transfer the media onto your computer once you're done. Before you can start recording audio, make sure your Zoom H1n has a micro SD card and 2 AA batteries in place. Then, slide and hold the power button found on the right side of the device. Now that the recorder is on, let's explore the recorder's interface and some recommended settings. The menu's interface will tell you the name of the last recorded file, the remaining time on the micro SD card, the audio level, and 4 other settings which can be changed using the corresponding buttons below the display. The audio button will change the recording format. We recommend that you use the 48K and 24-bit setting. The low cut button will cut out low frequency sounds from the recording. For recording the human voice, we recommend that you don't go above 80 Hz, and it's best to leave it off in a controlled environment. The limiter and auto level options are best left turned off. An important aspect of the Zoom H1n is the ability to adjust gain. The dial just above the Zoom's interface alters the gain of the recorder. This will affect how sensitive the recorder mics are. Adjust the dial so that the audio you're recording is consistently between -6 and -12 decibels. Raise the gain too much and the audio will be too loud and will blow out. Too low and you'll barely be able to hear what you're picking up. We recommend that you adjust the gain yourself as you're recording. But if you're in a scenario with a lot of fluctuating audio, you can turn on the auto level function on the Zoom H1n. Just change the auto level to on and it will take care of the gain for you. Again, we recommend that you leave it off if possible. Before you start recording your audio, we recommend that you insert a pair of headphones into the headphone jack found on the recorder so that you can listen to the audio that you're recording. Now that you have your headphones in, you should be able to hear what the Zoom H1n is picking up. To start recording, just press the big red button in the middle of the device. It will start recording through the top mics and display how long you have been recording on the screen. Again, you can also see the name of the file being recorded at the top right. When recording with the Zoom H1n, try to keep it in a stable position and angled towards the desired source of audio. You can use the mini tripod included in the kit to keep the recorder stable and angle it to whatever position works best. When filming outside, you can place this windbreaker over the microphone to reduce noise. Once you've recorded your audio, you just need to transfer it to your computer. First, connect the H1n to your computer using the micro USB cable found in the kit. Power on the H1n and it will display the USB menu. Use the buttons to select Card Reader. Now the Zoom can be read by the computer. Simply copy the files to your desktop. This works for both PCs and Macs. Thanks for watching. And remember, the Brown community has access to this audio recorder and tons of other equipment, like microphones, cameras, and other media resources. To learn more about this recorder and everything else we have to offer, visit brown.edu/go/MML.